In this video we will talk about how to give yourself a Brazilian bikini wax. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Before you give yourself a Brazilian bikini wax, be warned that most women don't find it comfortable. Pulling out your pubic hair and ripping them out from the roots is not the best feeling after all. You are dealing with your most sensitive and intimate regions. Make sure that you want to have a Brazilian bikini wax. You may get a standard bikini wax or a full bikini, which can cause you less damage. The first step would be to make a long warm shower washing and cleaning your pubic area. Then, trim down your pubic hair with scissors or with a shaver till it will have a length of 1/4 inch. Use a hard wax, a low temperature one, for a less painful process. Smooth the wax with a pre-waxing oil before applying it over your hair. This oil keeps it from sticking to the skin and allows the wax to be used without strips, making for a much more comfortable experience. As the wax cools, it basically shrink wraps each hair and pulls it out from the root. You may remove some stubborn hair with a set of tweezers. Use a big mirror and move into any position you think will be more comfort. Put your legs up, on the sides or even over your head. If you feel the pain is unbearable, stop until you feel you are ready to go on. Once you've finished with the waxing process and you are happy with your Brazilian bikini wax, you should apply a soothing lotion on your bikini area. If done correctly, your pubic area will stay smooth for anywhere between 14 and 25 days. We advise you to go to a professional salon to do your first Brazilian bikini wax. After watching the therapist and feeling the discomfort and pain, you will be able to decide whether you wish to give yourself the next Brazilian wax. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.